How to create a new Rumble account. Today I'll show you guys how you can easily create a new Rumble account. So the first thing you do is open up your web browser. Now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to search for Rumble, hit enter, and then click on the first link, rumble.com. So what you can do here is once you open up the app, now once you open it up, all you have to do is tap on the sign up button to create a new account. And then you'll be taken to this page. So go ahead and enter your email address that you want your account to be connected with. Enter a unique username and then select your gender. Now enter your birth date, select date, and then the year you were born on. So I'm going to select this. Select your country, and once you've done that, by creating an account, just check the box where its terms and conditions are. Click on next. Now quickly verify that you are a human by completing the CAPTCHA, and then you're going to have to create a password for your account. Now once you've entered your password, all you have to do is verify your email address. You can do that by looking at the verification code that you get on your email. So as you can see, I've already gotten my verification code. So I'm going to go back to Chrome and enter the code, which is 137490. I'm just going to enter this and then click on next. And once your email address is verified, you should be able to log into your account. So let me just go ahead and quickly select the bicycles tab. Next, let's select motorcycle, tap on verify, and you're good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.